Shopee partnership, paano ba mag-fill up ng Shopee affiliate? Click dashboard, scroll down, click affiliate partnership, get started, click continue, click, then after po nyan, allow, click. Sundan nyo lang po yung arrow kung ginawa and madali nyo pong magigets ito. So pagkatapos po nito, may lalabas po na link account. Continue. Ito na po, done. Congrats, you're ready to earn with Shopee. At yung po kulay green na may check, ibig sabihin po sign up, approve. Thank you.